gather round and listen, for this Halloween will have more treats than tricks. This October, we'll be running a Making Halloween contest. There will be 3 winners. Third place will win a lens of their choice. Second place will win 2 lenses of their choice. First place will win their very own rotary attachment, or a $500 credit if they already have one. How do you enter, I hear you ask? We want to see your best Halloween-themed projects. They have to be made on one of our lasers, and they have to be new, made for this year's Halloween. It can be decorations, costumes, props. You can even make one of our own free Halloween projects available on our website. A link will be in the description. Once you've created your project, simply post it on social media for everyone to see and add the hashtag #MakingHalloween with FSL. We'll pick our favorite and announce the winners on Wednesday, October 28th. And until next time, keep making.